So today we will start with chapter 2, that is logic gates and sequential circuits. Okay, this is our chapter name. In last chapter we did some basic components like resistor, capacitors, inductors, diodes and transistor. So gates are basically made up of these components, mostly transistors. It consists of 4 to 5 transistors, some resistors and 1 or 2 diodes. With the help of that we can perform some basic functions, and gates are basically used to perform a specific function. So gate is basically a circuit, you can say, or a device. You will not get single gate in your in the market, right? तो gates जो है you will get in the form of integrated circuit which we called IC. Okay, तो gates जो हम अभी study करेंगे, that is it, you will not get any single gate. Understood? So it is like it is a combination of 4 gates, 5 gates, then 10 gates, 100 gates, 1000 gates. You'll be getting in the form of IC. Fabricate करते हैं किस पे? एक chip पे, and we basically used to perform a particular function. तो जो logic gates हैं, हमारा जो chapter है, it is basically if I say digital electronic, जो जितने भी डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट्स हैं, it is divided into 2 parts. The first part is combinational circuit and the second part is sequential circuits. Okay, so our chapter is based on these two uh, types of circuits. तो कोई भी डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट हो, it can be combinational or it can be sequential. Now what is the meaning of combinational circuit? In combinational circuit, let's say if you have any logic system or any logic circuit, okay, any circuit, and you are having some inputs A and B. सो आउटपुट जो है इसका, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन प्रेजेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ इनपुट. Combinational circuits are those circuit in which output depends on the present state of input. For example, if it is a adder circuit which is used to perform addition, एक मैंने circuit लिया जो adder है, if I give 2 and 3, the output will be 5. So 5 जो है, your output basically it is depending on the present input. Understood? So that type of circuits are called combinational circuit. And we will study here in this adders, we will study half adder, full adder. Then we will study multiplexer in this. Then we have demultiplexer. These words are new for you, but when we will do, it will be easy for you. Encoders and decoders. Such types of circuits are called combinational circuits, where output is basically depending on the present input. Okay. So what are sequential circuit? Sequential circuits क्या होते हैं? In sequential circuit, same, you have given one logic circuit, any logic circuit you can take, and you are giving one input. Here the present output in your higher classes you will see it is represented with qn. This is your present output. So जो next output होता है qn plus 1, that the next output basically जो है that depends on present state that we will store somewhere here in the network, feedback network, which we can design with the help of memory. Okay, so this output we will feed back to as one of the input. So output जो next state का output है, that depends on present state, जो भी input state है as well as the present state of your output. So with the help of these two you will get your next output. तो इसमें क्या है, आपको previous state or you can say the present state you should know to get the next output. That's why its name is sequential circuit. Sequence you should know, the previous state you should know, or you can say the present state you should know. Based on your present state as well as your input you will get next state. जैसे आपका टेस्ट एग्जाम है, आपने यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जाम दिया है, तो जो प्रेजेंट रिजल्ट है will reflect your next result. If result is good, your hard work will be same. If your result is bad, so you will put more hard work to get a good, to get good marks. So this is just like a next statement depending on present statement. So here memory जो है that we will make with the help of flip flops. ठीक है, तो what is flip flop? Flip flop is basically a storage place where you can store one bit information. One bit information, bit, you know, now you are familiar because you are also doing number system. Bit stands for binary digit. Okay, this is the full form of bit. It will come with this bi and t. So binary digit, one bit means either 0 or 1. So you can store here 0 or 1. So if your information is of 4 bit, अगर आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन 4 बिट है तो यू नीड 4 फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स, 1 2 3 4. These are different flip flops, so you can store information here in this way. तो information जो हम store करते हैं, it is just like your, जो आपकी memory रहती है, that is same like your register page. Here each line of your register page, your notebook page is बेसिकली अ लोकेशन. मैं एक डायग्राम बना के दिखाती हूँ. जैसे ये आपका नोटबुक का पेज है एंड एवरी लाइन इज जस्ट लाइक अ मेमोरी लोकेशन वेयर यू कैन स्टोर इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड इफ आई गिव एड्रेसेस to these location, because it is a memory, and if you want to store, so you have to go to there na. So how you will reach over there? You will reach by getting its location. So every memory location has its own unique address. Okay, so if I want to store 4 bit information, so this one location is divided into 4 parts, or it is made up of 4 flip flops. Okay, and here you can store information this way. तो आपका जो कंप्यूटर का मेमोरी, आप पेन ड्राइव जो यूज करते हो, वेयर यू आर स्टोरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ फ्लिप फ्लॉप. तो सिक्वेंशियल सर्किट्स जो हैं उसका बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक इज फ्लिप फ्लॉप. तो हम भी पढ़ेंगे, वी विल हैव आल्सो flip flops in our syllabus. All types of flip flops: RS flip flop, JK flip flop, D flip flop, T flip flop. All flip flops are there and they have their own unique function. So flip flop हम memory में use करेंगे, and with the help of this flip flop we can make any sequential circuit. तो हमारे syllabus में we have counters which will keep the track, or it will count the clock pulses, and we have registers. ठीक है, एक आपने लास्ट चैप्टर में देखा था, that is your resistor which will limit the flow of current. And this is register, it is a storage place where you can store information. तो जो मैंने अब ये बनाया है ना, this is 4 bit register where you can store 4 bit information. So it is made up of 4 flip flops. So counter, registers and flip flops, that is the part of your sequential circuit. So understood. So this is the introductory or overall summary of your you can say chapter 2. Okay, what we are going to learn in this chapter, we are going to learn two types of circuit: combinational circuit and sequential circuit. एंड उन सबका बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक कौन है, सब किससे बने होते हैं? दे आर ऑल आर मेड अप ऑफ लॉजिक गेट्स. तो फर्स्ट first we will cover all logic gates, and then we will cover combinational circuits, and then we will cover sequential circuit. Understood? So first we will start with logic gates. So before starting with logic gates, so we will do some concepts related to binary number system. You have already done some few concepts in chapter 1 number system. So we will also do some basic concept how to make, because we need that binary number system concept in for designing truth table or for writing truth table for basic gates. So we will start with logic gates. So logic gates basically it is of two type. The one is basic gates, and the second is derived gates. Okay, so we have two types of logic gates. Basic gates, again we have three basic gates. You should be very clear for this कौन से basic gates होते हैं. The first one is OR gate, then we have AND gate, and then we have NOT gate. Okay, what are derived gates? Derived gates are basically which is you can derive from basic gates. The first is NOR gate. So NOR gate is basically made up of OR plus NOT. Okay, and then we have second gate which we called NAND gate. So NAND gate is basically the combination of AND plus NOT. And then we have third gate, that is XOR gate, which we called exclusive gate. इसको हम XOR भी लिखते हैं, and it is the combination of all gate. इसमें OR भी लगता है, AND भी लगता है, और हमारा NOT gate भी इसमें यूज होता है. So derived gates are basically derived from basic gates. So these are six gates that you should know, because these all are basic building blocks of all combinational and sequential circuit. Understood? So before starting with logic gates, first we should know some concept. The first one is logic statement, you can say, or we can say the definition of your we can say the definition of your gate कि gate का क्या function है. Then we should know the truth table. So what is truth table? Truth table basically I'll tell you कि it is basically all input combination, output for all input possible combination. कि you are writing for the output और out input कितने किस possible. जैसे if I take this one as a logic circuit, and here I am giving two inputs A and B and output. तो अभी वी हैव ओन टू इनपुट्स. तो टू इनपुट्स के कैसे पॉसिबल, कितने पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं, दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन ट्रुथ टेबल. टी ट्रांसफर ट्रुथ टेबल. So here you, if you have two inputs, okay, then you have to follow this formula. I think किया भी होगा number system में. 2 raised to the power n is equals to m. Here n is your number of inputs, okay, and m is your all possible combination which you will get from this. ओके, तो 2 रेस टू द पावर n, अगर आपका n जो है, अगर ये 2 इनपुट्स हैं, तो 2 रेस टू द पावर 2 मीन्स 4 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन. इफ यू स्टार्ट विद बाइनरी काउंटिंग 0 1 2 3, तो 4 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन यू विल गेट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला. तो अगर आपके दो इनपुट हैं तो यू कैन हैव मैक्सिमम 4 कॉम्बिनेशन. बट वो कॉम्बिनेशंस कैसे लिखेंगे? सी दिस इज डिजिटल डिवाइस, तो डिजिटल गेट, तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होगी इधर इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0 और 1, या फिर हम लिखेंगे लो और हाई, राइट. और कैसे लिखेंगे? फॉल्स, जीरो को हम फॉल्स भी बोलते हैं या ट्रू भी बोलते हैं। और क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको, ऑफ इफ इट इज लाइक अ स्विच एंड इट इज ऑन। ठीक है, तो ये जैसे स्विचेस की फॉर्म में है तो ऑन ऑफ, बुलियन की फॉर्म में, बुलियन इज बेसिकली यार बुलियन अलजेब्रा, जिसने ये पूरा लॉजिक मैथ्स डिजाइन किया, ही इज अ basically a great mathematician, you can say, who designed this all logic algebra. Then low high, if it is a signal or a voltage, then we can say low high voltage. Also you can write 0 volt and 5 volt, and this is in the form of your binary number system 0 or 1. तो अगर आपके पास दो कॉम्बिनेशन है तो कैसे होंगे, या तो दोनों जीरो हो सकते हैं, ठीक है, या ये जीरो ये वन, या ये वन और ये जीरो, और दिस कैन बी बोथ वन वन. ओके, इफ आई से इट इज ऑफ
टाइम टेबल मध्ये काय आणि आताच वेगळंच लेक्चर आहे.
yes please swayam mute yourself. Okay, so in logic system, if you are having three inputs a b c, then how many combinations you can make? With the help of this formula you can calculate 2 raised to the power 3. So how many combination you will get? 8 combination. So how you will write in the truth table? Now it is difficult to write in the truth table. तो टेबल में कैसे लिखेंगे, अभी फिर से ढूंढना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. तो हम इसका एक ट्रिक करते हैं. वी हैव टू मेथड, वन इट इज देयर इन योर बुक विच वी कॉल बाइनरी काउंटिंग, दैट आल्सो वी विल लर्न, and I will show you one trick also. See, this is you know how to write binary number system 1010. So what is the weightage of this part? It is called LSB, least significant bit, which has got less or least power. और ये क्या होता है, that is your MSB, most significant bit, which has got highest power. तो 2 raised to the power 3, क्यों, 2 raised to the power 0, इसकी पावर क्या हो जाएगी 2 raised to the power 1, और इसकी पावर क्या हो जाएगी 2 raised to the power, जस्ट लाइक योर डेसिमल सिस्टम. आपने एक डेसिमल नंबर लिखा तो इसको क्या लिखते हो आप, वंस प्लेस ना, 10 raised to the power 0. How you write this, 10 raised to the power 1. How you write this, 10 raised to the power 2, right? So this is decimal. So you are using base 10. But if it is a binary number, so you will be using base 2. Understood? So here also, if you have 3 inputs, then इसका प्लेस क्या हो जाएगा 2 raised to the power 0, इसका प्लेस क्या हो जाएगा 2 raised to the power 1, and for this you have 2 raised to the power 2. तो 2 raised to the power 0 क्या होता है, it is 1, 2 raised to the power 1 it is 2, and 2 raised to the power 2 it is 4. So how many combination you will get? 8. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you will be having 8 combination. तो अभी ट्रिक क्या है, 2 raised to the power 0 1, मतलब 1 है तो alternative you will change the digit. First is 0, तो next will be 1. Next is 0, then 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. Alternatively you will change. When it is 2 raised to the power 1, 2. 2 है तो मतलब 2 zeros, always start with 0. 2 zeros, 2 1, 2 zeros, 2 1. Okay. When 2 raised to the power 4, then how you will write? 4 है मतलब 4 zeros, and then you will have 4 ones. अंडरस्टूड कि कैसे मैंने टेबल ऐसे ही 2 इनपुट्स की बनानी हो, आई ड्रॉ अगेन 2 इनपुट्स टेबल. तो यू हैव 2 इनपुट्स टेबल, तो ए एंड बी. तो 2 इनपुट्स मतलब 2 raised to the power 2, 4 कॉम्बिनेशन 0 1 2 3. तो आप कैसे बनाएंगे ट्रुथ टेबल? तो ट्रुथ टेबल में this place is 2 raised to power 0, this place is 2 raised to the power 1. So this is 1 and this is 2. 1 means alternate you will change, and 2 means after 2 places you will change. तो दिस वे यू कैन मेक ट्रूथ टेबल. तो जब भी हम लॉजिक गेट्स करेंगे तो वी शुड नो फर्स्ट इज द स्टेटमेंट. what is the function of logic gate, or how you will write the statement. Statement you will write for the where the logic is high. जैसे आप truth table में you are writing all the combination, तो based on circuit you will have some equation. तो equation के accordingly if you are writing like this, if I am writing this, तो 0 1 1 0, तो जहाँ जहाँ पर high है उसके लिए आपको लॉजिक स्टेटमेंट लिखना होता है. तो हाउ यू विल राइट फॉर दिस कि व्हेन ऑल द इनपुट्स और एनी ऑफ द इनपुट इज हाई, आउटपुट इज हाई. So logic statement is basically the function of your gate for high output. And what is truth table? Truth table is where you will get all possible input combination, output for all possible input combination. तो वो हम किससे find out करते हैं? With the help of this formula, 2 raised to the power n is equals to m. Okay, where n is your number of inputs or m is your total possible combination in your truth table. So this is your 2-bit table where when you have 2 inputs. This is your 3-bit table when you have 3 inputs. Similarly, if you have 4 inputs, then how many combination you can make? Can anybody tell?
16.
16. Very good. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 4, 16 combination you can make. तो 4 bit तक आपको टेबल लर्न करना है क्योंकि it will help you in number system also to convert octal to binary and binary to octal. So I'll draw that table also. A, B, C, D. Okay, how many combinations? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have to always start digital counting from 0. Okay, so this place is 2 raised to the power 0, 1. 2 raised to the power 1 is equals to 2. 2 raised to the power 2 is equals to 4, and 2 raised to the power 3 is equals to 8. So how you will draw this table? So always start from here, alternate 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, like that. Okay. For this, after 2 days, 2 places, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your truth table for 4 inputs. ठीक है, तो अभी अगर आपको यही 4 bit table आती है तो this will help you in आपकी सब टेबल बन सकती है. आप देखो तो यहाँ से अगर आप देखोगे तो this is your 2 bit table, and if you see here till here, this is your 3 bit table and this is your 4 bit table. तो if you know this, एक ही टेबल बना लो और उसके साथ आप ये marking कर दो, तो you will have 2 input table as well as you will have 3 input table, and this is your 4 input table. In our syllabus, all gates, what we are going to do, it is 2 input, but in your number system you need this, क्योंकि ये जो टेबल है अगर आप 10 को A लिखते हो, B, C, D, E, F, तो this is your hexadecimal table. This table will help you to convert your octal to hex, and then octal to hexa तो है ही है, octal to binary में you can use same, vice versa, binary to octal, hexa to binary, as well as binary to hexa you can use. So if the number is given in octal like 237, if it is a octal number, so how you will convert into binary? So uske liye you will take this number, because in octal you have 8 सिंबल्स. करेक्ट, तो सिंपल है, बहुत इजी है. 237, तो 2 का कोड ढूंढो हियर, यू 010. 3 का कोड यू सर्च 011. 7 का कोड यू सर्च 111. दिस वे, तो दिस इज योर बाइनरी. And if the number is in hexadecimal, then how you convert it into बाइनरी, तो यू हैव टू रेफर दिस टेबल ओनली. 2 का क्या कोड होगा, बट 16 है तो एवरी नंबर शुड बी 4 बिट. हियर एवरी नंबर इज ऑफ 3 बिट. ऑक्टल में, क्योंकि ऑक्टल में 8 कॉम्बिनेशन है एंड 8 कॉम्बिनेशन यू हैव टू शो विद 3 बिट. And if it is 16 combination, then every number should be represented with 4 digits, 4 binary digits. ओके, तो 2AF है तो 2 को कैसे लिखेंगे, 0010. A को कैसे लिखेंगे, 1010. एंड हाउ यू विल राइट F111. तो दिस वे यू कैन use this table for conversion also. Octal to hexadecimal, octal to binary, hexadecimal to binary, like that. Understood this concept? यहाँ तक ये समझा आपको बात?
Ma'am,
So
can you explain how we can derive 4-bit
4 bit
from
we
this
can
table?
derive. So this table should I explain again?
Ma'am, no, only that part, how we can derive 4-bit or 2-bit.
This one.
No,
Or
you showed in this table we can derive for 4 bits, 3 bits, and 2 bits like that.
this one, na? See, 2 bits में
Yes.
2 raised to the power 2 4 combination means 0 1 2 3, right? तो 0 1 2 3 and it is 2 bit. तो यहाँ से start करोगे तो this will be your 2 bit, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. एंड फॉर 2 raised to the power 3 you have 8 combination and 3 bit. तो 8 combination यहाँ तक होते हैं, तो 3 bit लेने हैं तो 1 2 3 bit. तो this is your octal wala table. And if it is 2 raised to the power 4, then you will have 16 combination. That there is one more method, I will also tell that method. This is there in your RD Supaker. In same thing you can do with the help of that binary counting. Now you understood 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. These are my numbers. So now how binary counting, this is your decimal counting, but 15 तक you should know. तो 0 1 2 3, तो 0 के लिए you will write 0 के लिए you will write 0 only. Okay, I'm writing इसके similar same thing you will get with the help of this method. 0 के लिए you will write 0, for 1 you will write 1. But what about 2? 2 is not a binary number, so how you will write for 2? So what you have to see in your decimal counting, that where you are getting ones or zeros only. After 1 you have to search a number where you will get only 1 or 0. तो आफ्टर 1 2 आता है, 3 आता है, 4 आता है, 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10, if you can see, it is a number where you have only 1 or 0, which is in the binary form, you can say. So 2 is equivalent to 10. तो नेक्स्ट नंबर कैसा होना चाहिए, what should be the next number?
11.
Very good. So 11. 3 is equivalent to 11. Now what should be 4? After 11 you will not get any number till 99. So next number should be
100.
very good.
100.
So next number should be 100. So 4 is equivalent to 100. You can see here यहाँ पर 0, if I see this 0 का 0, 1 का 1, 2 का 10 and 3 का 11. You can see here 0 का 0, 1 का 1, 2 का 10, 3 का 11. तो अगर आप 4 bit टेबल बना रहे हो, दिस इज योर 4 bit टेबल, तो व्हाट यू कैन डू, द लीडिंग जीरोस जो है विल नॉट अफेक्ट योर नंबर ना. अगर मैं 23 लिखूं या 023 लिखूं, वन इज द सेम थिंग. तो हियर आई विल फिल विद 0. तो मेरा ये 2 इनपुट टेबल भी बन गया. ओके, तो आगे स्टार्ट करते हैं. 4 का 100, तो 5 का क्या नंबर होगा, व्हाट विल बी द नंबर?
101.
वेरी गुड, 101. फॉर 6
110.
yes, very good. For 7
111.
111.
111. And after 111 देर इज नो नंबर थ्री बिट नंबर। तो आपका ये ऑक्टल भी पूरा होता है यहाँ पर। तो जो लीडिंग प्लेसेस हैं यू कैन फिल विद दिस। तो दिस वे ऑल्सो यू कैन मेक। ओके, कंप्लीट करो। 8 का क्या लिखेंगे?
1000.
वेरी गुड, 1000। देन फॉर 9 only tell,
1001.
हाँ 1001, वेरी गुड। फॉर 10
1010.
1010, very good. For 11
1111.
no,
1011.
1011, 100 1010 के बाद you can write 1011। then
1100.
very good, 1100, then 1101, then 1110, then 1111। तो सेम टेबल आ गई, जो ये बनाई थी वैसे ही यहाँ पर आ गई। एंड रिमेनिंग जो लीडिंग प्लेसेस हैं दैट यू कैन फिल विद दिस। तो दिस इज ऑल्सो अनदर मेथड टू राइट द ट्रुथ टेबल। So this is 2 input table, this is 3 input table, this is your 2 input table, this is your 3 input table, and this is your full जो table है that is 4 input, which you can use in hexadecimal if instead of 10 11 12 13 14 if you use this alphabets। okay, I hope it is clear। ये जो मैंने क्यों बताया आपको, सिर्फ ये बताने के लिए हाउ टू ड्रॉ ट्रुथ टेबल। ठीक है, तो व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट लॉजिक गेट्स तो क्या क्या आना चाहिए आपको? व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट लॉजिक गेट्स तो फर्स्ट यू शुड नो द फंक्शन ऑफ दैट गेट विच वी कॉल लॉजिक स्टेटमेंट। ओके, सेकेंड क्या आना चाहिए आपका? सेकेंड यू शुड नो हाउ टू व्हाट इज द ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर दैट। जो भी हमारा स्टेटमेंट होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल डिजाइन ट्रुथ टेबल। तो इफ इट इज 2 इनपुट तो 4 कॉम्बिनेशन ट्रुथ टेबल में आनी चाहिए। इफ इट इज 3 इनपुट गेट then 8 combination you have to show for all output for all possible input। तो truth table is output for all possible inputs। तो all possible inputs कैसे find out किया हमने? with the help of 2 raised to the power n is equals to m formula से। तो n is your number of input and m is your all possible combinations। थर्ड आपको पता होना चाहिए उसका इक्वेशन विच वी कॉल बूलियन इक्वेशन। बूलियन I told you it is is a mathematician who designed all this logic algebra or logic maths। देन इक्वेशन आपको मालूम होना चाहिए। और द फोर्थ वन इज सिंबल ऑफ ईच गेट। तो while explaining about logic gates you should know the statement, truth table, boolean equation and symbol of all gates। Understood?
So, ma'am, can you